Good afternoon, beautiful people. So tomorrow we are getting our first broilers for the season, and what we usually do is we prep the tractor beforehand. And yes, I'm mowing the not the lawn, the pasture with an electric, because I don't have petrol for the petrol mower. Just a little bit shorter so that the chicks do not drown in all the grass. Okay, so there's the first week or so's move. So as I said previously, we keep them stationary for a first day, 3 days stationary, and thereafter we start to move them every 2 or 3 days until they're about a week and a half, 2 weeks old, and then they are moved every day. So chicken tractors come in different varieties and sizes. You get two basic types. So the first one is like that one there. That's usually called a Joel Salatin tractor, square and flat. And then this one is more to the style of John Siskovich, where it has a pitched roof. I'm getting a little bit older, so bending over it's not my thing anymore. So on this one we have two flaps on the side there, and on the other side that flap up and down. Then this one can flap open for the heat, and then in front it does the same, also a little bit of heat, as a little bit of meat eating. To the front I just cover with a piece of fabric, so it keeps the sun and the heat out, and ours are made from the nonsense that was lying around, so it's not beautiful, but it works. So the front has a door, and on the inside, as you've seen last year, is a space with water, and then a space where we can hang the feed when they are bigger. Alright, so what we like to do is, day before we get the chicks, we make sure everything is set up. So the pasture is mown, the feed is already set up, the water is done, and we make sure that the light works. So when we get them here tomorrow afternoon, they are sorted, and there's no worries about running around to get stuff to work. So see you tomorrow.